All right, first day of harvest, Ryan. Big day, don't mess it up. Don't say bad and bougie, don't say bad and bougie. Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. Things are looking pretty bad and bougie. Dang it. So we're about to start harvesting corn. Dad is in the 9510. Travis is filling him up at the fuel tank right now. We are going to pull the 82 out, and we got to get the 4020 out to hook on to the grain auger, and then we're going to back it up to the bin, get everything set up and start harvesting, see what things are doing out there, and yeah, it should be a pretty good first day. We're gonna fill the Sioux bin first. Oh boy, big obstacle. So we're trying to aim for the middle of this hole because of the spreader. There's a spreader in each of the top of these bins to evenly distribute the grain across the bin. You don't want to end up with a giant lump of corn right in the middle, but it doesn't extend it very well out to the sides. This helps with dispersing the corn, so that way you have kind of more of an average throughout rather than dumping, like if you get a wet load, rather than dumping it all in the center. It helps distribute it, and then it doesn't cause as many problems in the long term. Good. Here, he's gonna run some of the calibrations for the yield monitor. He's got the weigh wagon here. What we've got to do is we've got to run a set distance, and then we're gonna stop. He's gonna weigh it, and then that way we can make adjustments accordingly on the yield monitor. So we just got done with the first pass, and well, first like quarter pass I should say. And it seems like it's yielding pretty good, but we'll find out what it's doing after we get everything set up.
We had 66.59 and you had 66.85. 85. For the first weight this year, that's not too bad.
Nope. .7. That's pretty good, I'd say. 242 bushels to the acre. So Rocket and I here are going to keep up with Dad. Basically, it's yielding anywhere between 250 and 280, kind of depending on what variety we're talking. Right now, NK is doing better than DeKalb by about 30 to 40 bushels to the acre. So we're going to tag along with Dad. Travis is heading back to the bin. He's going to offload what we had calibrated. And the yield monitor had like a 2.2% error, which is pretty darn good considering that, you know, this is the first time that we've brought the yield monitor back out, and typically we've had to start over as far as calibration. But I think they came out with an update last year that they had said basically next year we won't have to calibrate it unless we see some drastic errors, but it looks like it's pretty accurate so far. All right, Rocket. Looks like we're in this for the long haul. the sun's going down. So far we've got 13 acres done. It's running 20.3% moisture right now, and what we're going through at this moment is yielding 260, and it's going up.
Well, we're calling this one a wrap. I'm not totally sure how many thousands of bushels we got. I would say about 3,500 to 4,000. Bin's not quite half full yet. So we're gonna wrap things up. We're putting everything away because it is supposed to storm pretty bad tonight, I guess. They're calling for severe, large hail and severe winds. So the harvest moon tonight, it's just starting to peek out behind the clouds. Well, the electrician has the new 20,000 bushel Sukup grain bin all wired up. We've got a light inside too. Just got to do the floor yet. We're hoping that we can get that done tomorrow, since they are saying it's supposed to rain. I think that should about take a full day's work, but it'll be worth doing because then we'll be able to start filling this bin too once we start getting into some drier corn. Right now, I'm not totally sure if we would fill this thing right away. Kind of is up to Dad. So with that should be about it for this video. We're gonna put the machinery in the shed and call it good. So with that, I'll let you all go. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming harvest videos. I'm gonna be filming all harvest long. So with that, I'll let you all go. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All how farms work. And we'll see you next time.